Open the column compartment door and take out the column guide. Pull out the column from the holder. Check the flow direction of the column. Remove the outlet nut and inlet nut. You need to check the flow direction of a new column as well. Then, put together the inlet and outlet to the column. When you are screwing the nut, push the tubing toward the column and screw at the same time. If the connection is properly done, you can see the tubing is around 2 mm out from the nut or ferrule. Put the column back to the holder. Place the column guide back and close the door.